Good day everyone, this is Pornin Batanes once again. Have you ever wondered how they make butter? Today I'm going to show you how you can make your own butter at home with just one ingredient. So if you're ready, let's start. So to make your own butter, you need a whipping cream. You need full cream because you need the fat from the whipping cream. So we're just going to beat it using a hand mixer, or if you have a stand mixer, it's better, it's faster. And one more thing is you want your cream to be cold because it whips faster that way. So we're just going to whip it until it curdles. And then when it curdles, we're going to whip it some more until the fat separates from the milk. So this one is the stage where you're looking when you want to frost your cakes. And then we're just going to beat it some more. It takes some time if you're using the handheld mixer than the stand mixer, but it is so worth it. So the quality of your butter depends on the quality of your cream. So if you're making your butter at home, you want to find the best cream that you can get. So we're getting there. As you can see, it's starting to curdle and it's starting to separate. And that's what we are looking for. So if you mix and beat it some more, it will come together, the fat from the whipping cream. So the milk that we've taken out from the cream, this is the buttermilk. So this is really good in making bread. So don't throw it away. So after we beat it and we separate the fat from the cream, we're just going to strain and remove the excess buttermilk. And after that, I'm just going to beat it a little bit more just to remove some of the buttermilk from the butter. And then we're just going to strain it a little bit more to remove the excess buttermilk from our butter. And once you're done with that, this is the time that you can put salt in your butter if you want a salted butter. I did put salt in mine. I used the Himalayan salt. You can use any kind. And I know that some people put flavor in their butter. You can check on that if you want to do it. But I am happy to just put salt in the butter because I'm using it for baking. And then you can transfer it to your preferred container. You can cut it in half, put salt in the other half, and the other half leave it unsalted. And as for the buttermilk, I use it to make my white loaf bread. I will leave the link on the description box below on how to make the bread, and you can have a look and try it at home and let me know how it goes. And so there you have it. I hope that you're going to try this at home and let me know how it goes. And if you have any question, please leave a comment on the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll get notified every time I upload a new video. Once again, thank you. God bless. Bye-bye.